Hello guys! Reacting to Filipino mentality because I'm a Filipino. So this is the whole
For real. No. Walang tatawa challenge. For real.
Okay, I want you to not do any laps.
For real! For real!
But why no? This is... Ano to ulit show?
Ano yan?
Yung nag-guess ng mga question?
Itbulaga?
Itbulaga? This is Itbulaga.
Is the weight of
How to do
Jupiter
that? I just
multiplied
wanted
by
to
the length of
answer.
Canada, Australia.
Okay, I'm going to like...
What is the weight of Jupiter multiplied by the length of the Crab Nebula in light years, please?
Oh, that was such an intelligent question. Keep it up.
Ay, ano po ang ibig sabihin ng WWW?
Worldwide. Wawawin.
Wow, wait. One more left yet. This is just enough. But one, two, what the dress very funny. Look at this. They're fighting his back. And look.
Bye-bye! Mas masarap McDo.
Adi, nasa loob. Adi, tingnan mo. Kanina, ni-wind niya yung bag nito. Saka tingnan mo yung nagawa mo.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye sila kay Daddy B. And then lubod this said.
Mas masarap McDo.
Mas masarap makdo.
And then lubod Daddy B did. Galit ako.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Pre, marunong akong pintura sa sakyan? Oo naman. Bill, ano yan?
Lupa, sinila.
Sa panaginip na laman na. Tanggalin mo yung medyas mo. Be, mabait ah. Wow.
Okay, this is